Welcome friends. This is your seventh video related to pulley, but in the seventh video, that is 1.7, here one pulley is in motion. One pulley is in motion. Therefore, you will find out the string in U shape. This is U shape. This is U shape. And this is U-shape string. Okay? If the pulley is moving up and down, the length of the string goes on changing. Accordingly, the system changes. Let us discuss. To the first, now in the first figure, you can take M1 equal to M, M2 equal to 2M. For our convenience, you take any values symbol. Instead of 5 kg, 2 kg, I am writing suppose MM. Just imagine. If M1 is moving down with acceleration A, then it pulls this string, that is T. So this is your T. This is a single string. Mark. This is a single string. Weight of the body is M1G. But these two strings are acting in this pulley towards right. They are acting towards right. These are like parallel forces. Okay. These are like parallel forces acting towards right, therefore the resultant towards right is 2t. Okay? Now just imagine, if the body displaces distance 2x, this body displaces distance 2x, then what happens? Length of this string increases by 2x. Okay? Length of that string, length of this string increases by 2x. Okay. Now, if length increases by 2x, this pulley moves towards right by distance x, because it is moving towards x. This is the distance x. Similarly, in U shape, this x on one side, this x on another side, total length is 2x. That means if M1 is moving distance 2x, M2 is moving half of the distance. Therefore, acceleration of M1 is if A, then acceleration of body connected to movable U-shaped pulley is A by 2. Okay, is A by 2. So this is your key point of U-shaped motion moving pulley. Okay. Now let us write the equations. First equation is, if M1 is moving down, you write T1 equal to M1 into G minus A. If M2 is moving down, right, this is 2t equal to M2 into A by 2. This is M1 is M into G minus A. M2 is 2M into A by 2. So therefore, in this equation you get, that is from this equation you get T equal to MA by 2. Then from this equation MA by 2, that equal to MB into G minus A, MM get cancelled, A comes to this side, 3A by 2 equal to G, so therefore A equal to 2G by 3. So if mass of acceleration of M is 2G by 3, then acceleration of M2 is G by 3, 2G by 3 divided by 2, that means G by 3. If you know the acceleration, then in a particular time, 1 second, what is the distance traveled, you can calculate. Okay. Now let us come to the second pulley. Now in case of the second pulley, this is fixed. We do not know whether M2 is moving down or M1 is moving down. Which one is down, which one is up, we do not know. If your acceleration is positive, then your convention is correct. If the acceleration is minus, your convention is in opposite direction. Now let us say my convention is, if M1 is moving up with the acceleration A, M2, this is U shape, it is moving with a half acceleration. Now M1 equal to, like previous problem, you put M, M2 equal to 2M. Then what are the equations of motion? Now for M1, that is, I am writing for M1, this is force is mg sin theta. You write this is 30 degree, you take sin 30. Okay, this is equation you take t, this is t, this is t, this is 2t, means t naught, and this is your m2g. Okay, these are the equations, so tensions or forces. Okay, for m1 you write, that is m1 is moving up, that means t equal to, write m1 into g sin 30 up, means plus a, this is m into g by 2 sin 30 is a half plus a. Similarly m2 is moving down, that means 2t, here t naught means 2t, that is equal to m2 into g down means minus a, means here for m2 this is a by 2, or this is m2 means 2m into g minus a by 2, 2 get cancels, therefore t equal to, write m into g minus a by 2. Okay, now if you compare these two equations, so then I can write m into g plus 2m by 2, that equal to, you write m into 2g minus a by 2. Now m by 2 get cancelled, so g plus 2a, this is 2g minus a, you take a to this side, that is t, take g to the side, that is, sorry, 2g minus g is g, so therefore a equal to, you find out g by 3. If acceleration of m1 is g by 3, then automatically acceleration of m2 equal to what? That is g by 6. Okay, so in this way you can solve the problems. Now let us come to this third pulley. Like in the previous problem, you take m1 equal to m, m2 equal to, that is 2m. Okay, 2m. So now m is moving along down with acceleration. This is moving up. If this is the movable pulley, okay. So if this is a by 2, or you write this is 2a and this is 2a by 2. This is a. Is there any wrong? Is there any wrong? Now this is, perhaps this is a and this is a by 2. Okay. Acceleration of m2 is a, acceleration of m1 is a by 2. Now tensions, this is t, this is a single string, t, this is 2t equal to, you put t naught, this is mg and this is 2m into g. Okay, mg and 2m into g. Now let us write the equations of motion. If my acceleration is negative, then 2m is moving down and this is moving up. I am taking, this is down, this is up. If answer is positive, my convention is correct. If answer is negative, my directions are reverse. Okay, so whatever may be, you calculate in this way by taking any one side as down and other side as up. So for mass m1, write equations first. For mass m1 I am giving, it is down. It is down means that is 2t, that is equal to m1 into g minus a by 2. This is m into g minus a by 2. For m2, you write, for m2 is moving up, t is m2 into g plus a. m2 is 2m into g plus a. Okay, so from this equation you write t equal to m by 2 into g minus a by 2. If you compare these two equations, I am writing this first, 2m into g plus a, this is m by 2 into 2g minus a by 2. Okay, now m they get cancelled, this is g plus a. Okay, 2g plus 2a, right, 2g plus 2a, n cancelled, 2 to 4, this is g by 2 minus a by 2. g by 2 minus a by 4. Okay, g by 2 minus a by 4. Now take out a by 4 to right plus a by 4. This is g by 2 minus 2g. So 4 to 8 plus 1. This is 9a by 4. This is g minus 4g by 2. This is minus 3g by 2. So therefore what is a? A is minus. Okay, a is minus 2 3 6 divided by 9g. This is minus, that is 2 by 3g. This is the value of a. Okay, the value of a is minus 2/3 g. The value of a is minus 2/3 g. That means acceleration of m2 is 2/3 g. Therefore acceleration of m1 is 1/3 g. This is for m2. For m1 this is minus g by 3. Okay, for m2 acceleration is minus g by 3. Now here minus sign comes means body is not moving up, it is moving down and it is moving up. Okay, so therefore in the beginning which one is moving down and which one is moving up we do not know. Therefore you take a convention, anyone along up, other one along down, you solve it, and after solving you will get, if the answer is a minus, then your direction should be reversal. Okay, that's all. Now let us see the fourth figure. Identical. This pulley is movable. Okay, this pulley is movable. Now in this figure, this is 2m is moving up. I am taking this 2m is suppose moving down. You take any convention. Down with acceleration a by 2. m1 is up with acceleration a. m1 is m, m2 is 2m, and tensions are t t t. This is a single string. Okay, this is a single string, and this is 2t, that is equal to t naught. This is 2m into g. This is mg. Okay. Now let us find out the equations by similar method. All the pulleys are exactly almost all identical. These three, that is inclined plane. These two are vertical in different situations. Just I will write the equations. Okay. That is for mass m1. Mass m1 is moving up. That means t equal to m into g plus a. Mass m2 is moving down. That is 2t. 2t is a tension acting on m2. So this is m2 means 2m into g minus a by 2. G minus acceleration is a by 2. So from this equation you find out, or t is t equal to m into g minus a by 2. So therefore if you compare these two equations, okay, now if you compare these two equations, you put g plus a equal to g minus a by 2. G minus a by 2 means you write that is 2g minus a whole by 2. 2 multiply 2g plus 2a is 2g minus a. Take out a to this side 3a. Take out 2g that side. Sorry, this is g. Take out g that side. This is g. So from this equation a equal to g by 3. That means mass of m1 is, this is mass of m1 is g by 3. Therefore mass of this is g by 6. Okay. So in this way, if the pulley is moving in U shape, you imagine whatever be the acceleration of the single body, acceleration of pulley or acceleration related to object suspended to pulley, U shape pulley, then this is acceleration is half of that. That is a by 2. If you write the equations using lift moving up, lift moving down, and if you solve, it will be very easy for you. Okay. Thank you. If you like this video, like it, share it, and comment it.